The Venetian Resort in Las Vegas is one of the largest hotels in the United States. Here are 7 do's and don'ts you should know before your next trip. Do explore and prepare to spread out. The Venetian is huge. If you don't want to leave the hotel, you don't have to. There are over 40 restaurants, 80 stores, casinos, a spa, pools, and so much more. It's like a mini oasis in and of itself. Also, the rooms are huge. I was shocked by how big the rooms are. It was like a mini studio apartment minus the kitchen. There were 2 TVs, a huge king-size bed, a seating area, a bathroom that had both a shower and a bathtub. I live in places that don't have tubs, so it was a nice treat. Do you know that check-in times can vary? They can vary by the time you arrive at the resort, the day, how many other guests are also arriving, if there's a major conference or event, and so much more. I arrived on Labor Day about 5 in the evening. There was a small wait, but I was checked in rather quickly. There were a ton of attendants. It's the most I've ever seen. Don't feel obligated to spend all your time at the resort. The Venetian Resort in Las Vegas did a great job making me feel at home and comfortable. And while it was tempting to spend a good chunk of my time there, Las Vegas has so much to offer. When I was there, I was on a budget. I found that eating at restaurants outside of the resort was more friendly to my wallet. Don't miss the free activities right outside your door. Some of my favorite moments were the free attractions feet away from the resorts. When you visit the Las Vegas Strip, do make time for the Fountains of Bellagio and the Mirage volcano eruption and plenty of the street art performances. Don't forget to check out the Venetian's pools. The pools are amazing. It was so nice to order a drink and sit at the pool and read or doze off and take a nap. Do go to the pools during off-peak times. The Venetian is the largest hotel in the United States, and there are a lot of people who visit. I found that going during non-peak times or sometimes visiting the smaller pools have fewer guests. Don't order your rideshare from your room. The Venetian is a massive place. If you're going to do a rideshare, make sure you do it once you get to the correct rideshare location. The first time or so, I got a little lost. And had I ordered the car from my hotel room, I would have missed my ride. For more directions on parking or where to get your rideshare, visit the Venetian's website or concierge for more information.